Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm really sorry about my voice. I have got a really bad cold, but colds don't stop for anybody. So, we will crack on. So again, ballerinas, love this topic and drawing the ballerinas. This was of a younger girl, mid-pose. And then I started drawing this and I realised when I was doing the tutu, I'm like, why am I drawing her? She's not the same as her. So yeah, that's why the third one is stopped halfway. I had to laugh at it. So anyway, good speed for all three. I utilised the geometric, observational and a slight bit of Loomis for the faces so that I could get good position and structure. I really liked the first one. I believe I was able to capture a lot of the structure and proportions and the correct ratios of things. The second one was slightly out of ratio, specifically the left hand. That's hardly there because the timer ran out. So that's why that looks a little bit funny. But yes, and then the third one is a completely different drawing, but never mind. Yes, so yeah, I'm really happy with how I'm getting on. Obviously, there's always room for improvement. I'm hoping that creating these videos, I can look back and basically creating a diary for myself, and I can then see how much I came on, the skills that I have acquired, and also see by using the feedback loop and good speed and all the other methods, they have drastically improved my art skills. I would not have been able to do that a month ago. So yes, highly recommend utilising these methods, and I shall see you next time. And for those who have stuck around and also joined my wee community, I am truly grateful to you, and I hope that you are enjoying my videos and also joining me draw. Thanks guys!